Well, at least 47 Palestinians have been killed across Gaza on Wednesday, many of them waiting for food. Israeli forces yet again opened fire at crowds near a distribution centre, killing 14 people and injuring dozens of others. Another 8 Palestinians were killed in a strike near the Rafah distribution site, operated by the US and Israeli-backed Gaza Humanitarian Foundation. Tareq Azzoum has more from a Nuseirat refugee camp in central Gaza.
I'm right now on Salahuddin Road, and this is the northern end of a Nuseirat refugee camp that leads to the so-called injuring corridor. At the end of the site, we can see that the Israeli military ground forces alongside with military tanks have been deployed, oversighting the distribution operations led by the controversial Gaza Humanitarian Foundation. This street is usually filled with hungry crowds who are trying desperately to go to the designated aid centers that have been recently formed. They are trying to get any kind of food supplies and food boxes provided by Gaza Humanitarian Foundation. People and eyewitness accounts have confirmed that this road has turned into a new corridor of death and horror instead of being a lifeline for the already stripped population. Since the establishment of the controversial Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, hundreds of Palestinians were killed and injured, and they have told us that they have chosen not to stay and to starve in their temporary shelters, but to take the risk in order to get food supplies in this dangerous road that is leading to the designated aid distribution centers. For many Palestinians, this new aid mechanism has been massively criticized, citing their concerns about the safety, but they continue to say that they will keep going to these aid distribution centers as long as all restrictions on UN aid agencies have been lifted, and they have run out of options, as this aid center remains the last remaining functional lifeline for thousands of people who come here every single day in order to get what they need. Tareq Azzoum, Al Jazeera, from a Nuseirat refugee camp, Palestine.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.